You want to do some frosting, Cole? You want to keep doing sprinkles?
Yeah.
You want to do frosting?
Frost my sister.
Okay, how about no? How about you do the sprinkles? You're still doing sprinkles.
You're the sprinkle man. Sprinkle it up, right here.
Right there.
You can sprinkle this one.
You want a cookie? Or you want the frosting? Here. Here's your cookie. Put that in there.
You're gonna
You want to do what?
Christmas now.
You want to eat it?
No, you've
had
had enough cookie. Why don't you pour some sprinkles on, Brennan? See, here's what you do. You open up one of these and then you pour it on there like this. You think you can do that on that one?